Jatend duond bura mar Wiper Patriotic Front Kalonzo Musyoka owuok tung' mosuo gi jatend piny William Ruto kuom uso kembe jopiny Kenya kolero ni tok ka otelo mar piny Kenya obiro duoko kembe go e lwet jopiny. Kalonzo mane wuoyo kinde mane kweth maketo sirkal tisre obedo gi romo e gwenge ma Ulu e kar chung' od bura ma Kilome omedo wacho ni tend Kenya Kwanza ok nyal reso weche mag somo mosekethore mokalo.
For the sake of this nation, I want to suggest that we all hold together and make this administration absolutely one term in round one. Sasa Kenya ipone na watoto wapone. Kila kitu kimeenda kombo, elimu ni kombo, mambo ya afya ndio hiyo kombo zaidi, ufisadi ndio huo, pipeline yenu hii inapitia hapa inauzwa. And again I repeat, if you are an investor and you are approached by this administration ati uweke ununue Kenya Pipeline Corporation, usijaribu, because we will reverse that thing. Yes. We will reverse it. But even before that happens, we will fight it in court.
Ruto ameuza pipeline. Ama ananunua yeye mwenyewe. Hii inapita hapa, hii ni mali ya wananchi, ni mali ya Wakenya, imeletwa bunge, ikafanywa ukarabati pale, bunge ikahongwa, pipeline lakini tutaenda kotini. Tuwezi wachia yeye namna hiyo.
Jokanye sekta masukari motingo jopur ywak ni chiro mar komesa ma piny Kenya osekelo negi